Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing of an Apple Pencil dupe. I ordered this off of Amazon. I love taking notes on my iPad and I needed a stylus. So without further ado, let's open it up. Alright, so okay. And then just, alright, so this is the box that it comes in. It says stylus pen, superfine nib, active capacitive. And I don't know what it looks like, it just has this. So let's open it. And it is made in China. Oh. So it says it comes with a surprise giveaway item. Fun. Then I think this is the pen. It comes with this little attachment to protect the tip. And then if you remove that, then it comes with a USB to USB-C charger, and that's super cool. It's not like micro USB or a proprietary charger. It also comes with 2 extra nibs for the pencil and an instruction manual. Alright, so I realize that is a super short video, but thank you for watching anyway. I will have a review on this pencil up as the next video, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody.